what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing an intermediate advanced hip-hop routine.
We're going to be dancing to the song Best Friend by Saweetie. So all you younger kiddos out there, make sure you get that clean version for practicing at home.
And if you have a best friend, grab them and let's start dancing. Okay, everyone, you're going to start and you're going to grab and you're going to pull to those hips and you're going to look at your best friend. So it goes, and a, 1, 2. You're going to step out, 3, and hit it, 4. Bring it back, 5, 6, and you're going to brush it, 7, and 8. Let's try that again. It goes, she my best friend, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From there, you're going to step out and you're going to jump to the side. 1 and 2, and you're going to step 2, 3, drinks, is what she says. You're going to swing it forward, back, back. You're going to twist it, 7, and push it down, 8. All right, let's try it from the beginning. So we go, she my best friend, hit 3, and lock it in 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Step it out, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Swing it, 5, and 6, and twist it, 7, and 8. Good, one more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. She my best friend. Hit 3 and 4. Swing 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, from there, you're here on 8. We're going to step towards our friend. She my best friend. Then you're going to hit 3 times. Lock it into place. 1, 2, 3. Now just bring it down that chest as you go. And go lock, lock, lock on 3 and 4. You're going to ball change to the corner. And 5, 6. You're going to swing it back. 7, and this is 8. And you're going to step it out. 1. Twist it back. And drop it down to 2. You're going to bounce it, 3, and bring it in, 4, step on, and you can do your own little twerk version. She talks about twerking right here. 5 and 6. This is 7, and push it, 8, step, and 1. Now let's take it back again. We just did 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Face your front. She my best friend. Hit it 3 times. 3 and 4. Ball change to the side. And 5, 6. Step it back. 7 and 8. And step it out. 1 and drop it 2. Bounce it. 3 and bring it in 4. Step back and 5 and 6 and hit 7 and 8 and 1. Good. Let's start from the beginning. 6, 7, 8. She my best friend. Hit 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Swing 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. She my best friend. Hit 3 and 4. Ball change and 5, 6. Swing 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Good. Moving on. You're going to hit and 2. Then there's a pause. You step back 5 and roll it out. 7, 8. Good. So we're here. Beat, beat, hit, hold. This is 7 and 8 and hold 1 and 2. This is hit, hit, roll out. Good. One more time. Beat, beat, pop, pop. Step back. 5, hit, 7, 8. Hold 1. Hit, hit, push, out, roll, out. From there, you're going to step forward and you're going to circle that rib cage. 1, drop it down. 2. You're going to hit a T. Up, step it back. Now twist it out, bring it back, bounce it, bounce, bounce, throw, and you're going to point to your friend. 7 and 8. However you want to do that. So from here, beat, beat, hit, hit. Bestie in a taxi. Hold, up, drop. Push, out, 7, 8. Roll, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, everyone, let's go to the beginning and break down that whole thing. 6, 7, 8. And the best friend. Hit 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Swing it 5 and 6, twist it 7 and 8. To your friend. 1, 2, hold. This is 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and hit 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Hit, circle, hold, up, drop. 7 and 8 and roll it. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, everyone, now we're going to speed it up just a little bit to prepare for that music. So we go 6, 7, 8. She my best friend. Hit 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Hit 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a 1, 2. Hit 3 and 4, a 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Hit 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and hold 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, everyone, now let's piece it together with some music. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Today. If you did, make sure you hit that like button right below.
Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our fresh new content posted weekly.
We out!